back to my channel. I'm Alexandra and this is Elle, who I'm sure you know. We took a really fun trip to Target yesterday with my mom, actually.
And Brighton.
And Brighton. It was like girls' day out. Brighton's first trip across the border. She's staring at me.
3 months old today, and she's already an international globetrotter.
Right? She did so well. And yeah, so we are gonna do the first part of the haul on my channel and then the second part of the haul and the vlog on Elle's channel. So jump over to her channel and watch our fun day out and then a haul at the end.
Do you know what I just realized? The last time we did a haul on your channel, you were almost at 5,000 subs. So go ahead and subscribe. You have 5 videos up right now. She just started a month ago and she already hit 1,200 subscribers.
And I was probably so awkward and just like, hey.
Yeah. We used your lav mic as a shotgun mic.
I remember
and we were like, help Alexandra get to 5,000 subs. And here we are a year later.
It did help. Yeah, so Elle and I, we take like a quarterly trip to Target. Yeah. Because we don't have one in Canada. And it's always like the best day. We have a routine. We like, you know, do everything basically the same every time we go. But yeah, we're gonna start going through my stuff, or should we do a combination?
Let's do one.
Cool. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna start with a cushion because why not? You can never leave Target without a cushion.
I think it's actually against the law.
I think so too. So I got this lovely olive green one. I'm really into olive green right now.
I love the texture of that one.
Me too.
Very hygge.
And I think I'm gonna put this on my couch.
Very cute.
Yeah.
Speaking of pillows, I got this one. If you're not new to my channel, you'll be like, yeah, of course you'd pick the blush one.
Yep.
When I told my husband Dan that we were going to Target, he was like, I'll start preparing the couch for more cushions now.
Also, I'm gonna put up here your home tour.
Oh yeah.
Because it's so beautiful. And I was saying to my mom yesterday when we left, I was like, their home always feels so nice and warm in a way. So yeah, go check out.
A lot has changed since that actually. I should film another one.
Yeah, you should do another one. Oh, I'm gonna do this.
Okay.
I love that. I feel like a lot of people are gonna have mixed feelings about this light.
People gonna go crazy in the comments.
Right, obviously. So I feel like this could be really kitschy and really tacky to some people, but I feel like if you styled it right, it could look really cool and like quirky. So I don't exactly know where I'm gonna put this, but it was like $12, so I was like, how could I not?
I love it. I love it.
Good,
and I know
right?
with your design taste that you could make it look really cool.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Let me know in the comments what you think of the peacock light.
I like to do everything that Alexandra does.
Yes.
So, I got the same cushion that you got the last time we were in Target.
I love it.
And this will live on my bed. I'm envisioning getting some new little covers and stuff for my bed, and I just think this is really cozy and
yes.
Yeah, I like it.
I can say for certain that that body pillow is amazing. I sleep with it every night.
Their pillows are so good.
I know.
Which is why I have a million.
And they're so affordable. Okay, next item is from my favorite Target line, which is it Hearth and Hearth? I always get confused. It's Joanna Gaines's.
And Cohen's home.
Hi, Coco. Next item is from my favorite line at Target. It's Joanna Gaines's line, Hearth and Heart. Is it called the Hearth and Hand?
Yeah.
Hearth and Heart? If not, I'll just put a little correction.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's the most beautiful. She has like all the most beautiful kind of rustic farmhouse decor.
So gorgeous.
Oh, I love it. And they have this beautiful setup in Target. Anyways, I got these linen cotton sheets. So they're 50% linen, 50% cotton. I love linen sheets for like a really lived-in textured kind of look. I'm getting a king-size bed next week. Woo! So excited. So I needed new sheets, so I got these.
They also had ones that were 100% organic cotton that were little stripes and stuff. So cute.
And again, so affordable.
So many things. Every woman needs a good selfie station. People feel embarrassed taking selfies, and I feel like we need to just like embrace the selfie. When you're feeling yourself, when you're feeling your outfit, take a selfie. And so I like creating like a pretty selfie station so that when you're taking a picture of you in the mirror to like post on Instagram or whatever, it's a nice little vignette. It's not just like you in a mirror, you know? So I have big plans for this faux cacti. This is pretty much blasphemous in my house to have fake plants. Like our house has so much greenery, but our bedroom doesn't get great light, so we're limited with the plants we can put in there. So I feel like from afar, this looks real enough.
It looks really real.
Do it for the gram.
When we were in the store, I was like, oh, I can't touch it. And I was like, oh yeah, I can. So yeah, it looks great.
Yeah, so I'm going to be styling this over on my channel. So I think it'll look really cute.
I made a list, I will say, before I went, I made a list of all the things that I needed. And one of those things was cloth napkins, because I use paper napkins, but they're just not sophisticated when you have people over.
No, and it's, you know, you're being more sustainable with that as well.
Exactly. So these are little Pom-Pom tufted napkins. They're like a cream color. You can throw them in the wash when you're done using them. And yeah, I got 8. And again, like really, I think these were like $10 each.
I love them, and it could go for if you're like hosting Thanksgiving or you're just doing like a backyard summer barbecue.
Totally.
Like, it could be very versatile.
Yeah, I agree.
I like that.
Yay.
I definitely was like in a mood. And I'm definitely like in a mood right now in this season of life in general. I'm really feeling leopard print.
I used to despise leopard print.
So when I was in high school, I was obsessed with leopard print.
Really?
I had like a leopard print bedspread. I had velour leopard print bell-bottom leggings.
No, that leggings?
Well, like leggings till the bell bottom.
No, that's not okay.
It was fabulous. And then I was like, because everything in my life had to be leopard print, then like any good thing that you overdo, then I hated it.
Right.
And I feel like I hated it until like last year.
So I was gonna say, same. Like last year I really got into leopard print, and I think it can actually look really classy and like pulled together.
I have a pair of loafers, leopard print loafers that
me
I
too.
wear all the time.
Yeah.
And so yeah, I got this faux calf hair. And I like that it's kind of a modern take on leopard print. I like the gold detail of the belt. So yeah, I'm excited to style this. I feel like with long maxi dresses,
Yes.
It'll look really cute.
I feel like you should show your dress.
So we hemmed and hawed because I have a 3-month-old and I'm still breastfeeding. So I was like, this isn't breastfeeding friendly, but it was so cute and the color was really flattering on my skin tone, I feel like.
So great.
So I went ahead and got it, and it's like a jersey knit material. I really like that it's high neck, not great for breastfeeding, but it's great otherwise. So I can wear it to events and I won't be breastfeeding for the rest of my life. And I feel like, yeah, that together with some black leather booties or something,
It's such a good
so
combo.
cute. And it maybe like a little moto jacket if you wanted to make it a little trendy.
Yeah.
I love that. And it's
so
so
good
soft.
for fall when you're like in that weird transition period where
Yeah.
you need something longer.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it.
I saw this and I thought it was way too cute to not buy. So I feel like this is something she can grow into, and it's just so stinking cute. I feel like this is like a new color for me, but I'm kind of obsessed with it. This like cognac warmy brown.
Yes.
I love it. I love it.
Also, can baby clothes be made into adult sizes?
Seriously,
Please
someone
and
get
thanks.
on that.
Okay, so I bought this beautiful backpack. I have been looking for a leather or faux leather backpack for ages, and I found this in Target for like $30, and I love it so much. I need a backpack for like, you know, taking my laptop to coffee shops, or, you know, when you just have a day out when you're like, I need a backpack. And I think this is stylish.
It's hard to find a good one that's the right size, and
that it looks cute, you know?
and that's so classic.
And I feel like I can like dress this up too.
Yeah.
So I love that.
The only other piece of clothing I got was this top. Now it's like, it's way too tight for me to wear as like a regular top, although maybe eventually if I lose weight, this with like high-waisted vintage jeans
I love it so much.
would look really cute.
Yeah.
But my plan is to wear it under, I have a pair of jean overalls, and so I thought it would look really cute under that. And I'm picturing like top knot, my faux bangs, and like some kind of top of the head ribbon thing.
You look so cute in your overalls. Which I have a pair of those too.
Yeah,
I bought them in England.
And
You bought them because of Melissa. I bought them because of you.
Oh, the long ones.
Yeah.
And I bought my shorts overalls because of you.
And overalls are like the easiest outfit, I feel like.
They're cute and comfortable, but they still kind of look elevated in my opinion.
It's true. The next item I got was from the Magnolia, I say Magnolia, that's her magazine, from Joanna Gaines's line. It's just this beautiful, kind of like apothecary style vase. Just super simple. I feel like you could put this in a bathroom with like faux eucalyptus, and I just love it. You don't even have to put anything in it, and I still think it would be a great piece of decor.
I think it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Vase.
I buy a lot of stuff for like, for my videos and for styling, so I don't necessarily have a plan when I go to Target, and I just buy the things that I think will come in handy.
You always know how to style it. They had a couple different silicone mats, and I was like, I kind of want to get a placemat because my kids tend to like throw their food everywhere. I don't know. I'm raising heathens. I don't know. And I have to like wash my kitchen table 3 to 5 times a day.
Not fun.
I don't have that kind of time. So I was like, I really feel like a placemat might minimize the mess, but I wanted it to still be cute because I'm into home decor. So I found these perfect ones The brand is from Cloud Island. They're PVC, BPA, and phthalate free. So I got one each for Cohen and Ford.
They're really beautiful.
Yeah, they've got mountains on them. And then I got one for B.
So pretty.
Is this like floral print?
It's so pretty. You should tell the viewers too how you found those ones originally.
Oh yeah, I found ones, I think the other ones were maybe a bit bigger, and they were fine. They were like a semi-translucent silicone placemat, and it said something kind of quasi-kitschy. It was like, be the best you, or something like that. And I was like, I don't hate it, and the price was right, but I was like, I don't love it. And it's that thing where it's like, it could have been a stepping stone placemat, where it's like, well, this is better than nothing while I find the right placemat.
Yeah.
But I'm really trying to get away from making those purchases, because inevitably you're going to donate it to Goodwill or whatever, or it's going to end up in a landfill.
Yeah.
And so I think it's better to like really not purchase something unless it's exactly what you're looking for. And as soon as I saw these, I was like, yes, it's the right size, it's the right material, it's non-toxic, and it's cute. So it checks all the boxes.
I agree. I'm trying to also live in with a home where I love every single piece of thing I own.
Yes.
Because or else you just feel like you've spent all this money and you're like, I'm not really happy with it, and it feels cluttered, and I feel like I have too much stuff. And if you just like wait for the good purchase, that you're like, yes, I love that, it's all worth it.
Mindful purchasing.
Yeah.
And I also, Brighton's not eating solids yet, but she will eventually, and so I also got the same pattern silicone bib.
The next item I got was actually, I feel like I wasn't sure about this, but I actually really like it.
You weren't sure, and your mom was like, no, you're getting it. Like non-negotiable.
So
you're out of the family if you don't.
Yeah, exactly. I got this really kind of quirky watering can. Again, I don't exactly know where I'm going to put it, but I love it, and I'm glad that I did buy it.
It's so beautiful.
Isn't it?
You also, like, even if down the road or in any case you don't need it as a watering can, you also could put like a hanging plant, grow a hanging plant out of it.
A good idea.
That's so cute.
And I love the long stem watering cans because I find they're easier to water like those smaller plants.
Or high up.
Or high up.
Yeah. We both got these.
Yes, we did.
Gold measuring cups. Now I got it because I had big plans. Let me find the other one. I recently started drinking coffee again because of her. I put a quarter cup of coffee grounds into my French press, and so I wanted something cuter than just a paper bag to store my coffee in. So I got this, which I think is really kind of Dutch looking. I don't know. I really like it.
Really pretty.
And then some gold metal measuring cups. So you can use these as regular measuring cups, but I plan on keeping the quarter cup kind of beside the coffee canister on the counter. And it just kind of gives it a trendy, chic look.
I think that's also a good tip. I mean, you've talked about this before on your channel, but decanting all of those things like coffee or protein powder, that is usually in those like bulky, big plastic containers.
Yeah, and I get my coffee, the ones that's like ground from the grocery store, so I can go in ahead of time, have this wait, and then fill the coffee up, so I don't have to keep getting the paper bags.
Yeah.
So that's nice.
That's awesome. Go hop over to Elle's channel to see the rest of our haul and the vlog. The vlog is so funny.
We had fun with it.
We had a lot of fun.
And we're going to Target.
So you guys need to go check it out and let me know in the comments below what your favorite thing from part 1 of the haul was. Yay!
She says, I'm the biggest fan of the Alexandra YouTube channel.
What was your favorite part of our day?
I haven't made it.
Did you like Chipotle?
That was nice.
Did you like the home section?
Uh-huh.
Oh, there's a big kiss on your cheek. Whoops. Okay. Leave a comment down below what your favorite part of this haul was and what your favorite thing to shop at Target is. I'd love to know.
What your favorite section of Target?
Yes.
Is it the clothing? Is it the home decor?
Yes.
Oh, what's
your
yours?
favorite?
The diaper section?
She likes it all. Okay. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you next Friday.
Bye.
Bye.